Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com making this video about crude oil. So let's get started here. This is a monthly chart. This date is current date. It's a current monthly chart. I made some charts before, but I don't know where they are, to be honest with you. Monthly chart, I kind of lost them. But here you can clearly see that these are the highs. I have marked significant highs and lows, right? So this one is very important one, then this one and this one and this one, the highs and lows. This is the high, this is the low. So you notice that the price coming down, and this is the number that it is reacting to twice already, right? So this month it went up, then it started to come down, and then again this month is going to the upside powerfully. So this is the chart, and we have this number. We are gone above this one and this one. We are approaching this number. So these are very important numbers you got to pay attention to. And a smaller time frame, when you make it an entry, it depends that if you're getting an entry above this number or an important number or below. If the number is acting as a resistance and stopping the price, or it's becoming a support, like RBS resistance becomes support, and then pushing the price to the upside. So that's why these numbers are very important. Now, this is a monthly chart. Look at the weekly chart, a little bit more detail. Now, this is the chart, same numbers all around here, there, right? So this is the band, this is 65.42. Here you can see this is 65.42, right? So this is the number that is stopping it, and you can clearly see here that it bounced from here, went up, then came back, and then last week it got pushed back up, and again this week is a bullish candle in place, and it's probably going to go up. So now, which number is more important right now? Most important, I would say, like these are the couple of numbers, and this is the big high. This is a very, very important high, and you can see that this monthly number is also coming in play here, 74.94, which is I just showed you here. This is the one, this monthly low, big number, right? So we got to take out this one first, then this one. These are the two important numbers that if we are going to go to the upside. Now, I made this chart a few weeks ago, and you can see that we're having a divergence here, right? Clear divergence, right? So that's why I said that probably, and this is the whole move to the upside, and it retraced 50% of that. So this may be a turning point going back to these highs or lows, or maybe 23% line. Why 23% line? Is because this is what happened most of the time. And I have a diagram to show you. Like, for example, this. Now, so you have a move from A to B, right? So it usually retraces, and one of the three levels, basically. Either it will retrace 50% or bounce, 50% and bounce, and then, or it will go down all the way to 61% and then bounce, or it will go all the way to 78% and then bounce. And the fourth option is that it will go all the way down anyway, right? So if it is bouncing from one of these levels, that we got to pay attention to where the heck it goes. 90% of the time, if it is bouncing from 50 to or 61%, it will go back to 23% line of the same fib you draw from A to B, or XA, this move, this swing here, right? So this swing, first pullback is this, then it will retrace back to 23% of this move. And then either, this is very, very important point, right? Either this will take the price all the way to the upside of these expansion targets, like 100%, 107, or 161% fib expansion. That will, that would confirm that we are going like a Elliott wave, like wave 1, 2, and then wave 3 will come here or here, right? ABC correction will ABC 100% will stop. But if it goes beyond that, 127, 161, that would be like ABC followed by 4 and then 5. But doing that's one way to do it, or go up. But we have another way to go up, is that it from this point C, it will drop to one of these levels, depending on one of these levels. 50 usually gives you 88 here, and 61% usually gives you 78 here, if it is coming down from point C. So that would be a harmonic pattern. Either bad, 50% will make a bad pattern, 61% will make a good day pattern, or if these two are like not matching or mix and match, then like 50 to 78 or 61 to 88, then I would say it will be a mixed pattern, and I call it a Berkeley pattern. So this would be the situation here. So this first situation is that it might go straight all the way. Second, that it will go up here to a 23% line and then drop to one of these levels and then go to the upside. Third option is that it will go straight, drop here. Well, basically, you got two options, not the third option, right? So first, it will go up here. That's what I'm expecting. So now, if you notice that this is what it is doing on the weekly chart, pull the fifth, we are at 50%. If we go up here to 23% line, then we can come down to one of these levels. Yeah, according to that chart, and then go up, or this will be taking off from here and then hit the 23% line, break it, and then continue to go to the upside. Let's see which one is going to go through. But for now, I think that this is the point. This is the place where we're going to bounce. Now, the same time, I'm watching the CAD index chart, which is this. Pull the fifth from here to here. We are 61% bouncing from here, putting up a three drive pattern here on the level 54.78. So it's a strong scenario. And then you can see this indicator here and this low here, making lower low. The indicator is going to the upside. It's a divergence here, right? And after that, last week I made this chart, not last week, maybe a couple of weeks before. Let me see, was this, right? So it was here just above this white line, and now it is here. So it is going to the upside, slowly dragging to the upside. But CAD is connected to the oil. Canada is supposed to be an oil produce country, and if oil gets expensive, CAD gets expensive or strong. If CAD is getting strong for some reason, then oil is going to get expensive. That's how it is, usually. So this is what I'm also watching, that it is going to the upside. Yes, all pound pair went down big time yesterday, right? Pound CAD, Euro CAD, USD CAD, CAD yen went up big time because CAD is on the left-hand side on that. So CAD is really getting strong. And I hope that oil is going to get strong as well. Now, so this is the chart I'm watching and hoping that it will go up. Now, you have to have a system. This is, okay, general, like weekly chart, monthly chart, broad picture, big picture, what is happening out there. But how do you make the entry? How do you trade this thing? That is very important, right? So for that, I have this, my system works very well. Now, you see this, it started to go up a little bit. Let me show you the entries that I had. I didn't take it because I'm not trading gold or oil last week and this week and like a couple of weeks from now, because very, very busy with Forex pairs. I had 24 trades last week alone, in, between the Forex pairs, especially yen pairs. I'm hitting yen big time. So now you can see this entry right here. This is the entry. Now let me show you that how I take my entries. I think I have a chart here. Last week, you see that? This is pound yen. I had it for 120. But look at the entry. Look at the entry. The rules, the entry rules, that yellow is above the black. Then, all the EM is aligned. This indicator all the way down. This was the entry I took. And from there on, and the price is making higher low. And red candle turned into blue candle. And as soon as that happens, I make the entry and boom, gone. Right? So the same thing is happening. It happened here. See that? Same kind of entry here, same kind of entry here, and look what happened after that. So this is the power of the system. Different settings. Yeah, of course, when you sign up, then I'll give you the settings, almost everything, S&P 500 or DAX or NASDAQ, they have different settings. All Forex pairs have the same setting. They work just like that, same one setting, they all work like. But these indices and metals and all these commodities, they have different settings, right? So you got to know that. But then you get entries like this. Once you know the bigger picture, that it is going to the upside, and then you start taking these entries. All right. So this is it for now. And if you have any question about oil, just let me know in my comments or whatever, or email me. Right? myforestmagicwave@gmail.com. And don't forget to subscribe, because I'll make new videos, and as soon as I upload them, you're gonna get it. Right? So this is it. And maybe the next video, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I already made the video about gold and S&P 500, Nasdaq. Oh, DAX. The next video would be the DAX and US 30, both left. Okay, I'm gonna make it today, both of them. All right, so bye for now, and talk to you guys later.